Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a delicious chocolate lava cake. What you need to know is that chocolate lava cake is a classic dessert that is perfect for any occasion compared to others desserts. In terms of delicious aspect, chocolate lava cake carries the day because the gooey chocolate center is simply irresistible. The recipe is simple and straightforward, even for beginners. It can be served as a dessert or as a snack. It can also be topped with different things, such as whipped cream, ice cream, or fruit. The ingredients are relatively inexpensive, so it is a budget-friendly dessert option. It can be served in a ramekin, which makes it look elegant and sophisticated. It is a classic dessert that has been enjoyed by people for generations. No matter the occasion, chocolate lava cake is sure to please everyone. It is the perfect dessert for a romantic dinner, a special occasion, or just a night in with friends. It's easy to make, and it's sure to impress your guests. Ingredients: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips. 1/4 cup sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Analysis of each ingredient. Unsalted butter. Unsalted butter is best for this recipe because it has a clean flavor that won't overpower the chocolate. You can also use salted butter, but you may need to reduce the amount of salt in the recipe. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. Semi-sweet chocolate chips are a good balance of sweet and bitter flavors. You can also use dark chocolate chips, but the lava cakes will be more bitter. Sugar. Sugar adds sweetness and helps to bind the ingredients together. You can use granulated sugar or brown sugar, but brown sugar will give the lava cakes a richer flavor. Eggs. Eggs help to give the lava cakes their structure and help to bind the ingredients together. Vanilla extract. Vanilla extract adds flavor and depth to the lava cakes. You can also use other flavors, such as almond extract or hazelnut extract. All-purpose flour. All-purpose flour helps to thicken the batter and give the lava cakes their structure. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees C. Grease 6 ramekins with butter. This step is important to ensure that the lava cakes cook evenly. The oven should be preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and the ramekins should be greased with butter so that the lava cakes don't stick. In a medium bowl, combine melted butter, chocolate chips, and sugar. Microwave on high for 1 minute, or until melted and smooth. This step is where the magic happens. The melted butter and chocolate chips combine to create a rich and decadent ganache. The sugar helps to balance the bitterness of the chocolate and gives the ganache a smooth texture. Whisk in eggs one at a time, then stir in vanilla extract. The eggs help to bind the ingredients together and give the lava cakes their structure. The vanilla extract adds flavor and depth to the lava cakes. Fold in flour until just combined. The flour helps to thicken the batter and give the lava cakes their structure. It is important to fold the flour in gently so that you don't overmix the batter. Overmixing can make the lava cakes tough. Divide batter evenly among prepared ramekins. This step is important to ensure that the lava cakes cook evenly. The batter should be divided evenly among the prepared ramekins so that they all cook at the same rate. Bake in preheated oven for 10–12 minutes, or until the edges are set and the centers are still gooey. This is the most important step. The lava cakes should be baked until the edges are set and the centers are still gooey. If you overbake the lava cakes, the centers will be dry. Let cool for 5 minutes before serving. This step is important to allow the lava cakes to set slightly before serving. This will help to prevent the lava from spilling out when you cut into the cakes. Tips: to make sure your chocolate lava cakes are cooked through, insert a toothpick into the center of one of the cakes. If the toothpick comes out clean, the cakes are done. If you don't have ramekins, you can use small oven-safe bowls or cups. To make the chocolate lava cakes ahead of time, you can bake them and then let them cool completely. Store them in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. When you're ready to serve, reheat them in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, oven for 5–7 minutes, or until heated through. Some more details about the tips for making the perfect chocolate lava cake. Use good quality chocolate. The better the chocolate, the better the lava cake will taste. When choosing chocolate for lava cakes, look for a chocolate that is at least 70% cocoa solids. This will give the lava cakes a rich and intense chocolate flavor. Don't overbake the lava cakes. The centers should be gooey and melted when they are done. If you overbake the lava cakes, the centers will be dry and crumbly. To test if the lava cakes are done, insert a toothpick into the center of one of the cakes. If the toothpick comes out clean, the cakes are done. Serve the lava cakes immediately after baking. This will help to keep the centers gooey. If you let the lava cakes sit for too long, the centers will start to set and the lava will solidify. Here are some additional tips for making the perfect chocolate lava cake. Let the ramekins cool slightly before adding the batter. This will help to prevent the batter from sticking to the sides of the ramekins. Bake the lava cakes in a preheated oven for 10–12 minutes, or until the edges are set and the centers are still gooey. Let the lava cakes cool for 5 minutes before serving. This will help to prevent the lava from spilling out when you cut into the cakes. Serve the lava cakes with a dollop of whipped cream or ice cream. Some good things about a delicious chocolate lava cake. The gooey chocolate center. This is the most iconic part of a chocolate lava cake. When you cut into the cake, the hot, melted chocolate oozes out. It's a truly decadent and delicious experience. The rich chocolate flavor. The chocolate lava cake is made with high-quality chocolate, so it has a rich and intense chocolate flavor. This is balanced by the sweetness of the sugar and the creaminess of the eggs. The fluffy texture. The chocolate lava cake is light and fluffy, with a slightly crispy exterior. This is due to the combination of the eggs and the flour. The presentation. The chocolate lava cake is typically served in a ramekin, which makes it look elegant and sophisticated. The versatility. The chocolate lava cake can be served as a dessert or as a snack. It can also be topped with different things, such as whipped cream, ice cream, or fruit. Other desserts to compare are tiramisu, an Italian dessert made with lady fingers dipped in coffee and layered with a mixture of mascarpone cheese, eggs, and sugar. Tiramisu, an Italian dessert, is known for its rich and creamy flavor and its delicate coffee flavor. Profiteroles, which are small pastries filled with whipped cream or ice cream and topped with chocolate sauce. They are known for their light and airy texture and their sweet and creamy flavor. Crème brûlée, a French dessert made with a custard base that is topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. It is known for its rich and creamy flavor and its crunchy caramel topping. Cheesecake, a dessert made with cream cheese, eggs, sugar, and sometimes other ingredients, such as sour cream or vanilla extract. It is known for its rich and creamy flavor and its smooth texture. Fruit tart is a dessert made with a pastry crust filled with fruit and topped with whipped cream or custard. It is known for its fresh and fruity flavor and its flaky pastry crust. Overall, the chocolate lava cake is a delicious and decadent dessert that is sure to please everyone. It's the perfect way to end a meal or enjoy a sweet treat. I hope you enjoy this recipe for chocolate lava cake. It's a delicious and easy dessert that is sure to please everyone. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Do forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos about fascinating and informative videos.